Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will focus on mastering the pronunciation of the word minifying. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. After writing the code, the developer ran a minifying tool to reduce the file size for faster website loading times. Minifying refers to the process of compressing and optimizing code, typically done to reduce file size and improve loading speed on websites or applications. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.